Okay, geometry, I'm going to go over our test number 4, unit 4, days 1 through 3. So the first problem is clearly triangle sum theorem. It even tells you so in the problem. And we know that 50 plus 70 plus some number is going to add up to 180 degrees. You can use your calculator and you'll get 60 degrees for the missing angle. Number 2, the exterior angle theorem tells us that 128 should equal 82 plus the missing angle. So that's going to be 46 degrees. Number 3, we have vertical angles as hidden information. Ooh, there we go. So this is SAS. Side, angle, side. There we go. Number 4, all three sides are congruent. This side is corresponds to this side, it's congruent. This side corresponds to this side, and it's congruent. And then for the third side. So this is side, side, side. Number 5, we do have vertical angles here. I'll put 2 marks since we've already used 1 in the diagram at one point. So we have a side that's included in between 2 angles. So that side has to be in between the 2 angles also in the name. So number 5 is angle, side, angle. Number 6 is we've got a side that is, the reflexive property tells us that this side's the same in both of those 2 triangles. This is a right triangle, so the first thing I'm going to think is it could be HL. So, and the hint says look for a shared side. So we just did that, and we've got a right triangle, we've got the hypotenuse, and we also have one leg, so that is HL. Number 7, we do have vertical angles, but when I take a look here, that's going to be angle, angle, angle. That is not a way to prove triangles congruent. That's actually a way to make them similar. So we are, that's not enough information, not enough information. Number 8, so AC is congruent to EC, boom, boom. BC is congruent to DC, and notice this information is already on the diagram. That's nice. And then these 2 angles are congruent, so that's the vertical angle theorems. So therefore, the last step is these 2 triangles are congruent. What are they congruent by? They're congruent by SAS, side, angle, side. The angle is in between the 2 sides of the triangle. It's in between. So in the name, it also has to be in between the 2 sides. So that's SAS, SASE. Number 9, which of these 2 is not ways of proving triangles congruent? Well, that is already, we went over angle, 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 and ASS, or you can write that one as SSA. And that is all, folks. Peace out.